Using the MLB tool usually involves soldering wires, which can be a hassle. The newly launched MLB Tool Solder-Free Adapter allows you to skip the soldering process and enjoy an easier experience of adding keys for MLB models. 1. Connect the device and remove the original key capacitors. Demonstration using the Key Tool Plus. Connect the MLB tool to the Key Tool Plus. Enter MO programming. Select Audi. Select by type. Tap MLB Immobilizer Systems. Start programming. Enter connection diagram. Select the corresponding type. Refer to the diagram to remove components. 2. Connect the adapter and the key. Take the key with the capacitors removed and connect it using the alignment points on both sides. Make fine adjustments to ensure proper contact shown in the diagram. And fasten the clips. Please ensure that the marked long side is facing down. 3. Connect the adapter to the MLB tool. The adapter has been properly connected to the key. Connect it to the MLB tool. Please ensure it is properly positioned in the sensing area. You can then proceed with the operations in sequence as usual.